What should a media strategy process deliver, and what should I get from it?
This is a great question also, and unfortunately it falls into the category of if you have to ask, you probably don't have a media strategy. And so let's talk about some of the differences, right? I think historically a media strategy is really nothing more than a high-level tactical outline of what placements you're going to be in, and then what the estimated impression delivery of those placements will be, right? If with broadcast, maybe you're looking at a GRP spread, it varies, but essentially it's going to be a series of Excels, maybe a flow chart, and a high-level outline. That is not a media strategy. It is not answering what the media does for you.
That's a media plan.
It's a media plan, and barely one at that.
Which is the result, an informed one is the result of media strategy.
Correct.
But you have to go through the process. So
Yeah, so a media strategy instead is an immersive process that includes you as the client or the marketing manager or the project manager, includes you in the process and actually brings media to your doorstep. What does that mean? It means that the media tacticians are coming in and they're working with you and your creative partners and other key stakeholders to identify who your targets are and then identify how media is going to work to move your business further, to incite action amongst that audience, right? And to your point, to incite it in a way that can be measured, checked, and optimized against. It's a robust document that includes a series of on-site collaborative meetings. You're meeting some of the key vendors in person. You're learning about what innovation should be included in your plan, if not this time, for your next campaign that comes down the road. And in the end, you get a fully sorted roadmap that tells you not only where your media is going to be, but it's going to tell you why you're there, what it's going to do, and it's going to inform and ensure that your other partners know what they need to do to key into it.